one of the new features of Photoshop 2023, which will improve your workflow a little bit from previous versions. It's effectively going to be using the object selection tool and making it quicker and easier. So there's my image there. You'll see this bar here. Bring it up. If I hit select subject, see it's already, having done it once before, there it is. I've selected myself. Now I could, I'll just show you, I hit Command C to copy it, create a new layer, Command V to put it back in there. So there I am without my background. Close the background off, save as a PNG file. So you've got your object without the background. So that's one way to use this new workflow. And that can go in a number of different tutorials that we do. And I'm just going to delete this layer now and show you another version. Or I can go straight to remove background. And there it is, backgrounds masked figure of me out, and it's taken the background all out using a layer mask to do that. If I just went File, Save as a copy, I would choose PNG file, and I can save it without the background and use that in various different tutorials and put different backgrounds in it and so on, or put my image into other areas. So I'm just going to undo that. I'm just going to quickly show you another option. I'm going to I've created that other background. So I'm going to select the subject. Click to this, select subject. I'm going to copy, so I'm going to hit Command C, go to the background, Command V. So I've got myself in that. I go to my background now, then I'm going to go Image Adjustments, Desaturate. And so there's the figure in colour with a black and white background. So it's a very quick way to work on that sort of image. So have a play with all this and see what you can do.